In question number 1, we have an object is placed 20 cm in front of a concave mirror of focal length 10 cm. Find the nature and position of the image. To solve this numerical problem, in first step, I will just write the given value from this question. Here, object distance given 20 cm and focal length given 10 cm. So in first step, just you write the given value. Given object distance is denoted by small letter u. So u equal to 20 centimeter. Focal length given 10 centimeter. So f means focal length, f equal to 10 centimeter. U means object distance, so u equal to 20 centimeter, this given in our question. And f means focal length, and focal length given 10 centimeter, so I have written f equal to 10 centimeter. Now this is a concave mirror, so here I'll use sign convention for concave mirror. In concave mirror, u value always negative, so write here negative. F value always negative, so write here negative. Now according to this question, I will find nature and position of the image. Position means v value, so v value I will find from this question. And nature means either the image is virtual or real. To find nature, I will check v value. After solving, if I'll get the v value positive answer, then I will write the nature of the image is virtual. And if I'll get the v value negative answer, then I'll write the nature of the image is real. So to find this v value, I will use now mirror formula. So using mirror formula, and we know mirror formula 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. After writing this mirror formula, now you place the value. F means here minus 10, u means minus 20. So in place of f, you write minus 10. Now plus 1 by u. If I'll bring left hand side, then here become minus 1 by u. So u value we know minus 20. So write here minus 20 equal to 1 by v. So 1 by minus 10, minus minus will change into plus 1 by 20 equal to 1 by v. Now you take LCM. LCM of 10 and 20. 5 to the 10, 5 4 the 20. 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4. 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20. So LCM is 20. Now you check the denominator. Here we have minus 10. So 10 2 the 20. So 2 1 the 2. But here we have minus sign. So minus 2. Plus 20 1 the 20. So 1 1 the 1. Equal to 1 by v. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 by 20. Equal to 1 by v. Now bring this 1 by v left hand side and take this minus 1 by 20 right hand side. As it is, you write. Here we have minus 1 by 20, so I have taken this side, and 1 by v I have put left hand side. Now in next step, just I will do reciprocal. 1 by v equal to minus 1 by 20. If I'll do this left hand side reciprocal, then right hand side also I'll do reciprocal, because I need the value of v. If I'll do this reciprocal, then 1 by v means I can write v by 1. V equal to, now minus 1 by 20, if you do reciprocal, then minus 20 by 1. So right here minus 20 by 1. So in denominator no need to write 1. So here also I have not written 1, here also I have not written 1. So v equal to minus 20 centimeter. V equal to minus 20 centimeter. Here we have got v value negative answer, means I can say the nature, or I can write therefore nature is real. and we know real images are always inverted.